Hey guys, let's do a quick review of ProfitMate. Now, ProfitMate was released on February the 24th at 9 AM Eastern, and it comes from Brendan Mace. Now, ProfitMate is basically an email scraper which searches websites on their and then gets email addresses from places like their contact me pages or about me pages, which you can then use to contact people and build a business online. This is what the actual sales page is telling us. And according to Mr. Trevor Carr, forget everything you've seen or learned before. This is a game changer. This is not a game changer, guys. And I'm going to explain to you exactly why not. So in this review, we're going to go through the actual product itself. I'll show you this dashboard. I'm going to tell you exactly what this does. And I'm going to go through things like the OTOs, just so you're aware of what this actually is giving you. And then I'm going to show you where you can get alternative softwares, which you can also go and check out before you decide to purchase this. So just a few things to go through on the sales page, guys. They're saying this will get you unlimited email lists on the internet in 42 seconds. I know for a fact that on the front end, there's a very, very limited search capability to start with. And then one of the OTOs is actually unlimited, which they shouldn't really do. They should tell you it's unlimited if it's not when you first buy the product. It's going to be $16.93. You get 30-day money-back guarantee if you can get hold of their support. The tenure, this is 100% legal and awesome. It is 100% legal to get people's email addresses from their contact pages, because obviously that's why they're on there. They're all public, so you can go ahead and use them. The issue there is those contact page emails are there to actually for you to contact them about their content, not to actually go ahead and use them to market directly to them. And most of the emails you're going to collect are going to be worthless. They're going to be the info type emails. They're not going to be ones that you're going to be able to market to. So the other thing is, when you talk about Europe and GDPR regulations, most autoresponders have some form of double opt-in. If they don't, and you use things like Thrive themes and you have opt-in pages, you usually use checkboxes that are basically allowing people to give their permission for you to contact them. In this case, if you go ahead and start scraping emails and contact them completely cold, you're not going to get anywhere. So this is going to be a very, very difficult thing for any kind of newbie marketer to actually get any value out of at all. It's even tough for seasoned marketers or experienced marketers to actually have any kind of success just by blindly emailing people you've had no previous relationship with. So the main thing here is they're actually saying that this is going to be a total business solution. So when I jump inside right now, I want to see how this is allowing me to have a total business using this software. So let's jump straight inside. What you have here is a capability to search emails on the left-hand side, a capability to build campaigns in some form, email templates. You're supposed to email these folks once you have their emails. You can add a new template, and then you've got all the upgrades, which I'll go through. So if I go through and use the search email functionality, what I notice on here, and this is the JV version, so I'm presuming they've already maxed out, you see the quota exceeded, so it won't actually allow me to do any more queries. What this is doing is it's going off and it's using a web scraping service to bring back results, which is why it's very limited on the front end and it won't actually give you any results. When I actually go and have a look at the campaigns that have been previously run, I look at this dog training one, and basically it's allowing you to collect a maximum of 100 leads, look on here. So if I go ahead and view this one up here, I see all of the different websites that it has gone ahead and scraped, right? Now what I'm supposed to do here is go ahead and download the emails. Now if I go and download these emails and open the CSV file for you, you'll see there are a bunch of customer care, info, training, retail emails. They're very low quality emails, guys. And these emails are designed, as I said, for you to contact them about their business, not the other way around. So yes, you can use these to contact people, but if you start trying to market affiliate type products to these folks, then you're not going to get anywhere. So that's not going to be worth your time to actually do this. If you're a newbie marketer, there is better ways to collect leads for your business. In fact, I'll leave a video below which shows you how I build a landing page and use YouTube as a traffic source to actually go ahead and collect leads. This is not something that's going to be useful to you. So it may seem easy that you can go ahead and scrape these emails. But I'm telling you guys, you're going to get nowhere with them. So if you trust me as one of my subscribers, or if you're new to the channel, then I'm telling you, this is going to get you absolutely nowhere. There's email templates on here that you're supposed to use, but again, you're still supposed to download these emails. There's no way on this software to actually email out to anybody. So they're saying on the sales page, you don't need an autoresponder. Well, how do you email out to people? You're just going to copy and paste into your own Gmail address and an email to people. If you do, most of them will end up in the spam folder, guys. It just won't end up going anywhere. There's also some facilities to add templates here. Did that open then? I'll just go back and have a look at the email templates. Again, this is very, very clunky. If I go ahead and I edit this one and show you the email template, this is basically it. You've got a subject line, you've got an email template, and then you update the template, and that's it. There's no way to email out from this system. So there is a need to have an autoresponder, which again, you cannot collect leads, guys, and then plug them into your autoresponder. If it's an autoresponder of any quality, it won't accept them because it'll know that you're collecting leads outside the system, and it'll know that you're going to fall foul of lots of different laws around data privacy if you start using software like this. So guys, let me just go through the OTOs. I know that this one is $67, 10 times more profits. So they're actually giving you unlimited campaigns, unlimited commissions. Again, commissions using what? There's no business here. OTO 2 is a done for you service, over 1 million leads in multiple niches. OTO 3 is the 100% done for you solution that's making brand new profit mate users $1,000 to $5,000 per day. It absolutely is not, guys. It really isn't. OTO 4 is skip the techie stuff. You need API integration. We can do it for you. They're giving you API integration here, and this is over to the Google API to allow you to scrape more emails. And OTO 5 is unlimited traffic. They're saying they can give you unlimited traffic. And again, guys, I've said this before in reviews. If they could give you unlimited traffic, why would they ever need an affiliate to actually sell the product for them? Because if they could get unlimited traffic, they could save all of those affiliate commissions and just have unlimited traffic over to these products. So it's all nonsense, guys. So if you want to learn a little bit more about email scraping and sales prospecting, come over to this article. I'll leave it in the description below. It will show you some more options for doing this. But again, you've got to be very careful when you're doing this. Read what these various softwares actually do. Come over here, you can get a book on it here. You can see web scraping handbook. You can get a book here to actually understand how to go ahead and do it. All in all, guys, this is not a good way to actually get leads online if you don't know what you're doing. So guys, I hope you found that valuable. There was a quicker review this time, but I don't think this is any kind of good quality at all. So especially if you're one of my subscribers, I absolutely do not recommend this product. If you haven't been over to the channel before, my name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I do new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you really want to learn how to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. I got a completely free resource there that'll explain exactly how to build your business step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.